Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Maxi Gonzon, and today I just want to talk about my vinyl collection. I'm actually just starting one and why ako nag-start ng vinyl collection to begin. So first of all, I'm a musician but hindi talaga avid music listener. Sobrang basic lang na music taste ko sa mga pop music. I listen to classical music because I was classically trained as a pianist. So mga Chopin, Beethoven, ganyan. And then mostly mga pop music, mga jazz, bossa nova, OPM, ganyan. Pero hindi ganun kalawak yung aking music taste. But at the same time, I'm very knowledgeable naman ng mga music terms, music theory, music production, and music performance. Pero hindi talaga ako avid listener to the point na I will collect music up until now. So the reason why I started collecting vinyls, or I'm starting to collect vinyls since onti pa lang naman tong collection ko, is my friend si Miro. He gave me one of these vinyls which I will talk about later on. And matagal ko na talaga kasi siyang plano na bumili ng turntable. Pero nung binili ako ng vinyl na yon, so I realized na I should start collecting it. Ayun, bumili na rin ako ng turntable. So let's start with my collection. But before that, let's talk about my turntable. So my turntable is this Stihl Audio Technica 80 LP60 USB stereo turntable. So itong turntable na to, I bought it for 5,000 pesos second hand. Nakita lang siya sa FB Marketplace. I've been hearing So, sobrang polarizing niya as a turntable. But I decided, sige na nga, parang ito yung pinakamura na medyo brand new. Other kasi na second hand are either 110 volts. So, hindi ko siya magagamit without a transformer. Kasi galing siya sa Japan. Or ayun nga, are too old for my taste. So, I decided to go with this one. It's 5,000 peso. Second hand. And I think it sounds good naman. Especially with my existing speakers, which are itong Audio Engine A2 Plus speakers. Maliit lang siya. As you can see here, kasya siya sa palad ko. Pero it packs a punch. And sinasabayan ko din siya nitong subwoofer ko, which is also Audio Engine. So, itong speakers ko, originally, they were for my PC together with my subwoofer. But I decided I'm turning this entire area for my media consumption. So, may dalawang speakers dito, may TV and also this subwoofer. And itong aking Audio Technica record player. So, this record player could play 33.33 vinyls and also 45 vinyls. RPM yata yon, or rotations per minute. So, iba yung rotations niya. Mas mabilis pag 45. Meron siyang tone arm and also yung cartridge niya. Ito hindi ko pa napapalitan. What I like about this one is you could change part ng album ka na pwedeng makinig by moving this one. But for now, let's do it later. And ayun, so this is my record player. It comes in teal. I like the color very much. It fits my vibe, it fits my room. So besides my record player, I want to talk about my vinyl collection. The reason why I wanted to start collecting vinyls is I want to make listening to music ceremonial, ritualistic, something na ilolook forward ko at the end of the week, something na talagang gusto kong gawin, not just out of convenience, but out of a desire to be in the present, to be present at the same time, and to enjoy music in its purest form. Ang arte ng sinabi ko, pero yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin. Kasi pag nakikinig ka sa earphones mo at the gym, or kapag nasa commute, I mean, it's listening to music. It's also a little bit ritualistic. Pero sometimes you are doing it out of convenience, out of boredom, just to pass time. So by collecting itong mga vinyls, I am curating a set of music, a set of songs, pieces na gusto kong pakinggan and gusto kong i-enjoy in its purest form without any distractions from the commute, from running at the gym, or from other things that you are doing while listening to music. So when I'm listening vinyls, I usually just lie down, close my eyes, or I dance kapag dance music naman yung pinapakinggan ko. Napaka-pretentious, pero I hope you're understanding me. Kasi when you're listening to analog, it's physical eh. It's very, kumbaga, it's very raw. Parang ramdam mo yung music kasi nga, it comes in the physical form of vinyl. So that's why I wanted to start collecting vinyls. And with that in mind, let's go through my collection. So first is Melodrama by Lord. So itong Lord Melodrama, nakuha ko siya online sa Facebook Marketplace din. I got this for 2,000. I think very mura na siya, especially medyo mahirap nang humanap ng ganito since hindi na siya bagong album. So, Melodrama came out in 2017. I became a fan of Lorde during the pandemic. Ang gusto ko sa album na to in general is it's like telling the story of a party, of a night party, tapos andun lahat ng perspectives na pwede mong makuha from the party. So, merong longing, merong enjoyment, feeling young, moving on from an ex. So, lahat ng perspectives of being in a party, getting drunk, dancing, looking for the perfect places, nakaka-capture ng album na to. It's synth pop. It's produced by Jack Antonoff. So, si Jack Antonoff, producer siya ni Taylor Swift and other pop girlies. But I really like this album. I like his production here and also yung lyricism ni Lorde about self-love, about partying, moving on, grief, everything. Summer romance. Hindi ko ma-explain. Basta listen to this album. And the reason why I got this is it's one of my favorite albums of all time. So, Melodrama by Lorde. I finally have it. I want to have Lorde's other vinyls as well. So, Solar Power and Pure Heroine. Pero naghahanap pa ako ng medyo mura. And also, palabas na rin yung bago niyang album, which is Virgin. So, definitely, those other 3 albums, I'm on the lookout. But for now, I'm so happy I got her best album, in my opinion. And my favorite album as well. So, Lorde, Melodrama. So, the second one is the one also on the record player, yung Evermore by Taylor Swift. So honestly, this is not my favorite Taylor Swift album. It will be Folklore. So yung Evermore, ito yung kanyang sister album to Folklore. I guess I also love it. There are some good songs here. Gold Rush, Long Story Short, Ivy. Ivy is my favorite. I also like her lyricism here. And also, gustong-gusto ko rin tong album na to because of its stories. The stories that it tells. Nakita ko lang siya online. So, binili ko na rin. Itong Melodrama and itong Evermore, I got it from the same guy. So, 2K yung Melodrama ito, 2.5 ko siya nakuha. That guy kasi is moving abroad, so he wants to liquidate his assets. Kaya nakuha ko to. By the way, these are 2 vinyls. So, there are 4 sides and it's in color red. Yung Lorde Melodrama album ko, it's black and it's just 1 vinyl, side A and side B. Ito, since it's a longer album, needs 4 sides. Natikman ng 4 songs cada side and I listened to it for around 1 hour and 30 minutes. So medyo mahabang tugtugan siya. So those are the first 2. So I'm collecting vinyls from Lorde and from Taylor Swift. Especially now that Taylor Swift has her own masters back. So, nabawi na niya yung mga masters niya na ninakaw sa kanya. So, I'm really excited to collect her vinyls now. So, those are my first 2 vinyls. By the way, this is not in order of kung kailan ko siya nakuha, but kung paano siya magkakapatang dito. So, ang next ko ay mga Carpenter's vinyl. So, I have 5 here. This is the entire collection. So, 5 Carpenter's vinyl. I bought this from, of all places, Facebook Marketplace, Pampanga. So, nakuha ko siya sa Pampanga. Iba-iba yung price niya nung una, pero I got all of this 5 for 2,500. And since sa Pampanga nga siya, I asked my friend Ian to get it for me. So, pumunta siya dun sa place nung guy and then kinuha niya. And then, pagbalik niya dito ng Maynila, pinalalamove ko from his place. So, ayan, these are 5 vinyls. Some of the songs repeat in different albums. So, that's one of my regrets na binili ko siyang 5. I think I would have just kept this one, this one, this one. So, itong dalawa, hindi ko na masyadong nagustuhan. Especially this one, medyo repetitive to. Pero this one, okay lang din. Kita mo, hindi ko alam yung pangalan ng albums. Why did I get this? Well, I'm a fan of the Carpenters. My parents listened to them when I was young. I listened to the radio. Joke lang. So, yan. I like the Carpenters. Because my parents like them. And I'm actually selling this one. Ito. Kasi nga hindi ko nga siya masyadong bet kasi paulit-ulit na yung pieces niya from the other albums. So this is my Carpenters collection. 5 vinyls total. Next is itong ating Allison album. So Allison is a 4-piece band but I think they have sessionist musicians. Kasi meron silang brass section. Ito yung album na napilitan na akong bumili ng record player. So my friend Miro gave me this. I like Allison, they're a Filipino band, pero yung kanilang tunog is very city pop, very jazz, they have a brass section, and yung kanilang lyricism and yung vocals nila, sobrang ganda. You should listen to Definitely Love by Allison. They have it on Spotify and other streaming platforms. Pero yun, matagal ko ng planong bilhin to, sobrang gusto ko ng Allison, so nung binili sa akin to ng friend ko si Miro, well, eto na, kailangan ko na siyang pakinggan using a record player, hindi lang sa streaming. So yes! Thank you, Miro. Dahil sa'yo, ang dami kong gastos. Ang dami ko na nagastos sa sa vinyl. So far, yung 7 na pinakita ko kanina, that's around 7.5 already. Plus yung record player. So that's 12.5 and isang buwan ko pa lang tong gastos. But these are from my work naman and from my side jobs. So definitely worth it. And again, this is a ritualistic thing for me. This is not just out of owning pieces of art, but also it's a ritual for me. It's being connected with the music. Listen to this kung may chance kayo pakinggan siya sa vinyl better. The next two, these are my last pieces of vinyl. So this one, it's Beethoven Symphony No. 2. I got this from Madrid. As you can see, ayan, Sinfonia. So it's Spanish. These are my first two vinyls. So very special siya sa akin. When I was in Madrid, last week na namin nun, I was looking for things that I could bring home. And naisip ko bumili ng ganito kasi sobrang mura niya. Parang 2 euros lang siya each. So around 100 pesos. And ito yung nagustuhan ko kasi they are classical pieces. And mura nga siya. Naisip ko, someday in the future, mapapakinggan ko siya. It may be not now kasi wala nga akong record player. Pero bibili na ako ng vinyl para mapakinggan ko siya in the future. So this is one of the two. Beethoven Symphony No. 2 and also Frédéric Chopin Concierto para Piano No. 2 Andantes Pianato y Gran Polonesa. Tamás Vasari Orquesta Philharmonica de Berlin Janos Kulka. So I've been taking Spanish lessons, so that's why I know how to read this. At this point, nag-show up na lang ako sa skills ko. Anyway, so that's my vinyl collection. So again, I am collecting just to make it more ritualistic, more mindful. That's the word I want to use. Mindful and mas connected ka dun sa music na pinapakinggan. So if you have any questions, you may ask me. And if you have any vinyl recommendations, kung saan pwedeng bumili, saan pwedeng mag-shop, or ano mga albums yung pwede nyong i-recommend sa akin, kahit hindi sa mga artists na pinakikinggan ko, please let me know in the comment section. And that's it. And I'll be listening to this album by Taylor Swift, Evermore. So thank you so much guys for listening to me up again. Yeah, it's side 4. It's closure. What a way to close the video. Ako pretentious.